Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. It's good to have you here. As always, we've come with a video which we think is of great value to you. Today we will be showing you a collection of unique woodlook furniture ideas you should consider for your home, for your patio, living spaces. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. If you're looking to add some rustic charm to your living space, then you will love these creative and unique woodlook furniture ideas which we will be featuring on this video. From coffee tables to bookshelves, there are several pieces to be made from woodlocks and are sure to impress your guests and add a touch of nature to your home decor. Among the different woodlook furniture ideas, one of the easiest ways to incorporate woodlocks into your home decor is by using them as side tables. Tree stump side tables are a popular choice as they are simple yet stylish. You can either use a single tree stump or stack multiple stumps to create a more unique look. These tables are perfect for holding drinks, books, or even plants themselves. Other beautiful woodlook furniture ideas include stools, shelves, plant stands, and chairs, among others. Dear viewers, as you know, here on this channel we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos almost on daily basis. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss this inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodlook furniture is often made from solid wood, which is known for its durability and longevity. It can withstand wear and tear over time, making it a great investment for your home. Another characteristic of woodlook furniture is its natural charm. Woodlook furniture adds a touch of nature to your home decor, creating a warm and cozy ambience. It is perfect for those who love rustic or countryside decor. In addition, woodlook furniture is often made from sustainable sources, which means it is an eco-friendly choice for your home. Therefore, if you are an eco-friendly individual, you can incorporate it without any worries. It is also biodegradable, so it will not harm the environment when it is disposed, as synthetic materials do. Woodlook furniture is often handmade, which means each piece is unique and one of a kind. There are no two similar woodlook furniture pieces because the woodlook itself is different. The way it is carved, the way it is created is different. It adds character and personality to your home decor, and it can be used in a variety of settings, from outdoor patios to indoor living rooms. There are different types of woodlook furniture pieces suitable for different places throughout your house. It is versatile and adapts to different styles and spaces. Woodlook furniture also has several advantages. It is extremely resilient and requires very little maintenance as compared to other furniture types. It's nearly effortless to maintain and can last for generations, passing down from families to families. Wood furniture is also very durable and can endure growing families, children, and even being passed down for generations. Adding wood furniture to a room will completely change its look and feel as compared to adding synthetic materials. Wood offers a combination of peerless structural integrity and aesthetic appeal that other materials cannot reflect. For example, if you take plastic is nowhere near wood furniture when it comes to aesthetic appeal and charm. If you are looking for a statement piece for your bedroom, then a log bed frame is the way to go. These frames are made from large logs that have been sanded and polished to create a smooth surface. They provide a cozy and rustic feel to your bedroom, and they are perfect for snugging up a cold winter night. Another wood-log furniture idea is a log bookshelf, which is a great way to add some natural charm to your home office or living room. These shelves are made from stacked logs that have been sanded and sealed. They provide ample storage space for books, plants, and other decorative items. Plus, they are easy to make yourself if you are feeling crafty. A log bench is another great addition to any outdoor space. It provides a comfortable sitting area and adds some natural charm to your patio or garden. These benches can be made from a single log or multiple logs depending on the size you need. They are perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee or reading a book in the sunshine. A log coffee table is a unique and eye-catching piece of furniture that is sure to impress your guests. These tables are made from a single large log that has been cut and sanded to create a flat surface. These wood log tables are perfect for holding drinks, snacks, and even board games during game nights. As you can see in the video, there are several types of wood log furniture pieces you can make. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked unique wood log furniture ideas you should consider for your home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.